Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for video sales. Whether you are selling digital videos, video courses or subscription based content, Infinitepay.io offers a secure and efficient way to handle your transactions. So let's get started. First, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the video sales section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to your video sales. Now, to set up payment processing, integrate Infinitepay.io with your video platform or sales website. Follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by Infinitepay.io. Now, configure your payment options by linking your video sales business to Infinitepay.io. After that, set up payment methods such as credit debit cards and adjust transaction settings according to your sales model. Now, create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for your video content through Infinitepay.io. Now you can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. Monitor payment status, view transaction history and resolve any issues that arise. Ensure that your payment system complies with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your customers. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for video sales. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your video content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.